Every time I go to a Chinese takeaway, I always order myself a side of some prawn toast, which got me thinking, how easy is it to make prawn toast? Well, in this video I'm going to show you it is super simple. Start off with 225 grams of raw, cleaned prawns. This whole recipe is going to be done inside of the food processor to make it really simple. To that you're going to add one whole chopped spring onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. You can use fresh if you like, but I think the paste is more convenient. 1 whole egg, good generous teaspoon of a good quality sesame oil, and then a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Just want to blend that together. The idea is try and get a nice smooth paste, so just keep going until it's nice and smooth. This is the texture you're looking for. It took me about 2 minutes of blending away. I've got myself 4 slices of bread here. What you want to do is just remove the crust. This recipe will make about 8 slices, but just do 4 for the video just to show you. So just bring over your bread onto a little chopping board, and then what you're going to do is just spread that mixture all over the top. So you want it probably about 2 millimeters thick. Don't go too thick with it, otherwise the mixture will fall off when you deep fry them, but you want it to be thick enough so that you can taste it. Really important that you cover the bread right the way to the edges. Every single edge needs to be covered with this mixture. So just before we deep fry them, what we're going to do is just add a nice generous sprinkle of sesame seeds over the top. This recipe won't really work without them, so if you do have an allergy, unfortunately you'll have to find some form of alternative. So what I do is just get my wok, half fill it with some vegetable oil, use whichever oil you like, just make sure it's got a high smoking point. And then here's a little trick, put your spatula in first so that it gets a nice covering of oil. That way when you lay your bread on top, it doesn't stick. So you want to put this into the oil, mixture side down. It'll take about 2 minutes to cook on the mixture side and probably about 1 minute on the other side. Once they're cooked absolutely perfectly, got a nice brown colour to them, that's when you can take them all out and we can start plating them up. Now depending on how fancy you want to be, I do it classic and just cut them into nice little triangles. You can cut them into whichever shape you like. Like I say, I go for the nice classic triangle look here. For some reason I think that toast always tastes better when it's done in triangles. But anyway guys, that is it. That is how simple it is to make this most delicious recipe. Sesame seed coated prawn toast. Gotta give this one a go guys and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.